Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset calculator in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to reset calculator in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on Start, click on Settings. After click on Apps, and click on Apps and Features. Type your calculator. Click on Calculator. After click on Advanced Options. Click on Reset. After click on Reset. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to reset calculator in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Please share this video useful or not, and share, like and subscribe my channel for latest update.